San Francisco is going to allow police to deploy robots that kill.
This was blowing up.
Yeah, I heard about this. It's funny, the proposition there. Robots that kill.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess they have the ability to kill. I don't know how much killing they've done yet.
But this automatically, like this title, makes me think like a SWAT robot with a gun. I don't know why.
Kind of. Yeah. I mean, I'm with you that is the impression that you get.
Very aggressive.
I mean, I don't doubt there are absolutely robots out there that they could kill me 20 times over. They could kill me dead.
Yeah.
And you and everybody. Mm-hmm. And it does
have no feelings.
It makes you a little bit uncomfortable, no doubt about it. Supervisors in San Francisco voted Tuesday to give the city police the ability to use potentially lethal remote-controlled robots in emergency situations following an emotionally charged debate that reflected divisions on the politically liberal board over support for law enforcement. The vote was 8-3, with the majority agreeing to grant police the option, despite strong objections from civil liberties and other police oversight groups. Opponents said the authority would lead to the further militarization of a police force already too aggressive with poor and minority communities. San Francisco Police Department said it does not have pre-armed robots and has no plans to arm the robots with guns, but the department could deploy robots equipped with explosive charges to contact, incapacitate, or disorient violent, armed, or dangerous suspects. So they're saying, okay, there's like a violent encounter, and rather than send a police officer in, they send a robot in. It blows up. Maybe it's a flashbang, or maybe it just blows up and incapacitates the threat. Mm-hmm. This is not going to be exclusive to San Francisco. Like, this is going to be an ongoing thing, and it's going to be a thing where there's going to be a philosophical conversation for all communities around how robots are going to shouldn't integrate with modern day law enforcement. There's two sides to it, right? There's the side which is the civilian who says that thing's got no feelings. And we need to be face to face. This is an overreaction, whatever. Like, just the human reasoning. Uh-huh. And then you have the human side on the police officer side, because believe it or not, those are also humans. Well, so people seem to forget. And they're sitting there saying, I don't want to go into that building at this moment because I might not come out of there, and I got a life to live as well. So it's the two sides to it, and it's already sticky. Even just the way it is right now, it's sticky. You add robots to it, it gets even stickier.
Mm-hmm. Well, we'll see. We'll see what's going on.